Hello everyone. In our session for today, we will try to solve a differential calculus problem. The problem that we're going to solve in this session is all about limits of a function. And these are C-board problem to solve. Our given C-board problem in this session is all about limits of a function. In this given problem, we need to evaluate the limit of a function x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4, wherein x approaches to 1. What do you think is the limit of our given function? We can then now start solving the problem. Since in our given limit of a function problem, x is approaching 1, then all we have to do is to substitute the value of x, which is equal to 1, to our given limit of a function problem, x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4. And as we can see in our given computation, that if we're going to substitute the value of x, which is equal to 1, to our given limit of a function, the result in our numerator is 0. And the result in our denominator is also 0. Having a result like this, 0 over 0, we can call it as, or we call it as actually indeterminate. Right after the substitution process, as we can see now, our numerator is 0 and our denominator is 0. Definitely, the result is indeterminate. Now, when the result is indeterminate, we have to do something. Maybe we can apply some factoring method so that we can simplify our given expression or function. Or we can also apply the L'Hospital's rule. Now, by this time, since we have received a result of indeterminate, let us try our method A. Our method A now, the method A that we're going to use is actually the L'Hospital's rule. Let us now start applying the L'Hospital rule so that we can solve or evaluate the limit of our given function x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 3x minus 4. And in order to do that, to apply the L'Hospital rule, what we're going to do is that we have to determine the derivative of the numerator and as well as the denominator. So what is then the derivative of our numerator? And the second question is, what is then the derivative of our denominator? So let us start solving now the problem using L'Hospital's rule. In this given limit of a function problem, our numerator is x squared minus 1. Then what is then the derivative of x squared minus 1? Actually, 2x is the derivative of our numerator. In our given problem, our denominator is x squared plus 3x minus 4. What is then its derivative? 2x plus 3 is actually the derivative of the denominator because x squared, its derivative is 2x, while 3x is having a derivative of 3, and negative 4, since it is a constant, definitely, its derivative is 0. That is why 2x plus 3 is the derivative of the denominator. After obtaining both the numerator's derivative and our denominator's derivative, our limit of a function given now will be like this, 2x over 2x plus 3. Then we can proceed now to the substitution process for the value of x in our given problem. As we can see now, we have already substituted the value of x, which is equal to 1, in our given function. So our solution will be like this, 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1 plus 3. Our final answer then is now equal to 2 over 5. Now, how about trying another method besides from using L'Hospital's rule? Why don't we try to use the factoring method as an alternative method? So let's try. Now, if I will use method B and use the factoring method, I have to recall of two types of factoring. First, we have the trinomial with distinct factors and the difference of two squares. If we will try to observe our given problem, x squared minus 1 can be factored by applying the type of factoring, difference of two squares, while our denominator x squared plus 3x minus 4, we can apply the type of factoring, we call it as trinomial with distinct factors. Now let's try solving the problem using factoring method. Again, this is our problem. Limit of a function x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x minus 1. In this situation, since our numerator is factorable by using the type of factoring difference of two squares, I think x squared minus 1 is factorable as x plus 1 and x minus 1, wherein our denominator x squared plus 3x minus 4, since we already know that it is factorable by using the type of factoring, trinomial with distinct factors, our factor then will be x plus 4 times x minus 1 in our denominator. So, here is it now. Okay, allow me to read our given solution. For our numerator, we have x plus 1 times x minus 1, and our denominator will be x plus 4 times x minus 1. As we can see, if we will try to analyze the given solution, we can see x minus 1 twice actually. One at the numerator and another one with our denominator. That is why we can cancel now both x minus 1 of our numerator and the x minus 1 of our denominator. Meaning, our final answer then will be, I think, partial final answer, it will be x plus 1 over x plus 4. So let us see. Now we have x plus 1 over x plus 4. Coming up next is the direct substitution. Since we have a value of x which is equal to 1. Now we have 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 4. After simplifying, now we have 2 over 5. Finally, our final answer to this given C-board problem, evaluate the limit of x squared minus 1 all over x squared plus 3x minus 4, wherein x approaching to 1. Our final answer is 2 over 5. As we can see, the time that we have used the L'Hospital's rule, we have obtained a result of 2 over 5. Using the factoring method, we also obtain a value of 2 over 5. So our final answer is 2 over 5. Thank you very much and God bless us all.